Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and for the returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back. Today I would like to share how I'm making this bracelet, and this is 88731 on braceletbook.com, and it's a very cool pattern. I just found this and I just wanted to try, and as you can see on the pattern, this shaped part is with one color, and usually what I do is I knot first with the same color. In this case it will be black, and then we'll shape, and then if I do that it will be like this, will probably be like alternating color just like here, which is also fine, but I wanted to try something different. So for this one, instead of knotting here first with the black, just like the pattern, I shaped with the same color. So I would like to share how I did that. So okay, so let's start, because I just finished up to here. So now I'm gonna do the shaping part. So I just okay. So I start from the left side, and then for the first knot, next to this connecting knot, it's a little different from the others. So for the left side, what I do is I take out the closest thread and make one backward knot with this black. And this is the only thread I will use, just a regular backward knots, double backward knots. And now I just hold the one I just knot on and the next one, and make, so the thread I use is the same, one forward backward knot. Now take the next one onto these three, same one as always the same one, forward backward knot, and you kind of squeeze to make it tight here. Now take the next one, which is black, and one forward backward knot. Take the next one together. Now there are 5 here, forward backward knot. So it'll be always this same knot after the first one. And then next one, and forward backward knot. And now we came to the last one. This one is a little different. So you put together and make one half of the knot. So forward part, and now just instead of doing the backward knot part together, you just put it aside and do the backward part. Now, so again, the same one. You put the first half of the knot forward onto the next whole bundle, then take out the next thread, which will be black, and do backward. bundle, forward, and take out the next color, which is orange here, and backward. Always the same thread, forward, take out the black, and backward. Forward on the bundle, take out the yellow, and backward. You can see now it's showing the shape here. Now forward on the last two, take out one, which is black, and then backward. So now you can see the yellow is in the center and the black is on the left side. And we would like to switch. So just like here, we make one forward knot onto this yellow, so that the order of the thread is correct for the next pattern. So left side is done. So for the right side, we do everything symmetrically. So we make one double forward knot onto the next thread here. Now take the same one and this one, next one, and this side will be symmetrical, so backward forward knot, backward, forward. Take the next one, backward, forward. Here, see now the pattern, the knot. Backward, forward. And now for this one, I do backward, and here we switch, so backward, take out, and forward. So the first one, half of the knot, backward, take out, forward. Backward, take out, forward. Backward, take out, forward. So the last two, backward, forward, out and forward. And again, we have to switch the place of the two threads. So we do backward knots onto this one. So basically the one you use for knotting is only one thread on each side. And then we connect the center. So as you can imagine, this one consumes a lot of threads. So the one you use for this one, you have to take probably extra long. I'm not actually sure if I have enough. Maybe I have to switch in the middle the threads, because the other threads I have still a lot, and this one is already like 1 foot. So I made 1 foot longer than the others, but probably it's better to make it even longer. So this is how I shaped the center part. And okay, so I hope this was helpful for anyone who likes to try this and who likes to try it the way I did. And it's really a cool pattern, and I have seen a few more of these kind of patterns that the same creator made, so I would like to try those too. And so thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon.